Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar traded lower on Tuesday, but finding slight support into the New York close, even though the RBA minutes reiterated that the need for the February hike, but offered no guidance on the future path of rates. After rattling the market, now looks towards the Australia's labour market data. While the US dollar is also steady, eyes look on the FOMC later today, and also this week we've got the US GDP and the Fed's preferred inflation gauge being the core PCE index. Looking at the technicals, they have buckled. I am still holding for a possible decline due to the buckling technicals, and therefore could see a move to 70, 35, 45 and reassess from there. Euro also a little bit weak, even though posting a dragonfly doji or close to a hammer. Nevertheless, the bears are still lurking, and we could see a move down to 118.35 due to the technicals somewhat buckled and a trend coming through to support a slightly case to the bear. And that is, therefore, looking at 118.35 and finding a hold there, looking at 117.60. Meanwhile, the dollar index has improved to 97 figure 10, so keep an eye on that just in case it fails. Dollar yen, well, it's a little bit mixed as it now looks for the next move, which I feel is still down towards 151, and any upside moves should be limited with the resistance seen somewhere around the region of 153.65. Looking to sterling, that took a bit of a hit and finding good support around 135.30-35. Keep an eye on these technicals. They still are somewhat heavy, so we could see a revisit to the downside, and beneath 135.35 looks to 134.65 and reassess from there. Wrapping up with commodities, the bears are still weighing on gold, as the potentially move could see around 4,600 50-70 area where this trend line is before any bounce. I still hold the call for this year, that is around 5,200, or everyone's looking higher, that is to around 6,000. Reassess from there. And wrapping up with oil, bit of profit taking coming in and engulfing candle. Do keep an eye on this level, that is around $62 a barrel, as we could see a bit of a slippage, but finding support lower from 61. Overall, I think there is a possibility of a correction and looking back towards $64 a barrel and reassess from there. But that's all right. Thank you for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoy the great start to the day.